Hey friends, welcome back. I'm so glad you're here with me today, ready to explore the heart and soul of every home, the kitchen. Whether you're a passionate home chef, a busy parent, or someone who just loves gathering with friends and family, you know how important it is to have a space that feels both welcoming and practical. If you've ever dreamed of a kitchen that's both inviting and functional, you're in the right place. Imagine walking into a kitchen that instantly makes you feel at home, where every detail is designed for comfort, style, and ease of use. The kitchen island is truly the heartbeat of the home, where meals are prepped, conversations linger long after dinner, and memories are made with every shared laugh and story. It's the spot where kids do homework, friends sip coffee, and families come together at the start and end of each day. Today, I'm excited to share 13 inspiring kitchen island ideas that can completely transform your space, no matter your budget or style. Whether you're looking for a simple refresh or a dramatic makeover, these ideas will spark your creativity. From clever $150 upgrades that make a big impact, to stunning custom builds that become the centerpiece of your home, there's something here for everyone, whether your taste is modern, farmhouse, or contemporary. You'll see real-life examples and practical tips for every budget. As we go through each idea, picture how it could bring new life, beauty, and function to your own kitchen. Think about the colors, materials, and layouts that would work best for your family and your lifestyle. Let's dive in together and get inspired to make your kitchen the warmest, most welcoming room in your house. A place where everyone feels at home and where every day begins and ends with joy. Let's start with a budget-friendly favorite, a freestanding butcher block island on casters. It's practical, pretty, and mobile, perfect for renters or anyone who wants flexibility. Use it for chopping, baking, or as a buffet when hosting friends. The wood grain adds warmth and a touch of nostalgia, fitting any kitchen style. No contractor needed, and you can find these for as little as $150. If you want a quick, affordable upgrade, this island is a wonderful place to start. Give old furniture new life by transforming a vintage dresser or an unused piece you already own into a stunning kitchen island centerpiece. Instead of letting that old dresser collect dust in the garage or attic, imagine it as the heart of your kitchen, bringing both style and function to your space. You can also use a console table, sideboard, or even a sturdy desk. Almost any solid piece can be repurposed into a unique kitchen island that stands out from the standard store-bought options. Start by adding a fresh coat of paint in a color that matches your kitchen's vibe. Swap out the old hardware for something modern or vintage-inspired, and consider topping it with butcher block, marble, or a custom countertop for instant character and durability. Repurposed islands offer built-in storage with deep drawers and shelves, perfect for organizing utensils, linens, cookbooks, or even extra pantry items, making your kitchen more efficient and clutter-free. Every scratch, dent, and drawer tells a story, adding warmth and personality to your kitchen. These imperfections become charming details that make your island truly one of a kind and full of character. Customize the look to fit your style. Distress the finish for farmhouse charm. Paint it a bold color for a modern pop, or keep it classic with crisp white or natural wood tones. The possibilities are endless. Repurposing furniture is a fun and rewarding weekend project, perfect for DIY enthusiasts or families looking to create something together. It's a hands-on way to add heart, creativity, and personality to your kitchen. If you love mixing old with new, a repurposed island is a true showstopper, blending history, craftsmanship, and your own personal touch into a functional piece that will be the highlight of your kitchen for years to come. Want a built-in look for your kitchen island, but don't want to spend a fortune on custom cabinetry? You're not alone. Many homeowners dream of that high-end designer kitchen feel, but the price tag can be intimidating. Here's a budget-friendly solution. Start with flat pack base cabinets, which are easy to find at most home improvement stores, and top them with a custom countertop of your choice. Arrange the cabinets to perfectly fit your kitchen's layout, whether you want a classic island or a unique shape that suits your space and needs. Next, select a countertop material that matches your style. Think dramatic waterfall stone for a modern vibe, warm butcher block for a cozy touch, or even reclaimed wood for a rustic, eco-friendly statement. This approach gives you total flexibility in both storage and design, letting you customize drawer and shelf placement to maximize functionality. The result? A kitchen island that looks luxurious and custom-made, but costs a fraction of what you'd pay for a traditional built-in. Want to make a bold statement? Paint your cabinets a vibrant color for a fun, modern twist that instantly livens up the space. Or, if you prefer a classic look, stick with white or neutral tones for timeless appeal that never goes out of style. Don't forget the finishing touches. Add hardware that reflects your personality, from sleek modern handles to vintage-inspired knobs, for a truly custom feel. With a little creativity, some basic tools, and a willingness to get hands-on, you'll create a stunning kitchen centerpiece that's both functional and beautiful, sure to impress family and friends. This project is perfect for DIYers who are ready to roll up their sleeves and transform their kitchen on a budget. No professional installation required. Ready to invest in your dream kitchen? A full custom built-in island is the gold standard. Designed for your layout and needs, it can include integrated appliances, specialized storage, and matching finishes. Maximize every inch and tailor the island to your workflow: baking, entertaining, or homework. Custom features like hidden outlets or pop-up mixers make it truly yours. It's a bigger investment, but it pays off in beauty, function, and home value. If you have the vision and budget, a custom island is a forever piece. The standard 36-inch counter height is ideal for everyday kitchen tasks, chopping, baking, or serving snacks. It matches most counters, creating a seamless, versatile workspace. Add low stools for casual seating, or keep it open for standing work. This height adapts to any style, from modern to farmhouse. It's accessible for everyone, making it a smart, timeless choice. If you want an island that does it all, stick with standard counter height. For a more casual, social vibe, try a bar height island at 42 inches. Perfect for tall stools and entertaining, it creates a fun, laid-back atmosphere. The extra height separates prep and dining zones, keeping your kitchen organized. If you love to gather with friends, a bar height island instantly elevates your space. Why choose one height? A mixed height island combines counter and bar levels for dedicated prep and dining zones. Prep dinner at standard height while kids do homework or friends chat at the raised bar. The different levels add visual interest and flexibility, even in small kitchens. Mix materials: wood for prep, stone for dining, for a cohesive look. A mixed height island adapts to your lifestyle and makes your kitchen dynamic. Want a bold, modern statement? A waterfall countertop flows seamlessly down the sides for a dramatic effect. Choose marble, quartz, or wood to set the tone, and make your island the focal point. Waterfall edges are practical too, protecting sides from scuffs and easy to clean. This design works in both contemporary and transitional spaces. If you want timeless luxury, a waterfall countertop is worth the investment. Maximize storage with a double-sided island. Cabinets or shelves on both sides double your usable space. Store essentials on one side, cookbooks or bins on the other. Open shelving keeps things airy in narrow kitchens. Perfect for families who cook together. No more bumping elbows. If storage is a priority, this hard-working island keeps your kitchen tidy and spacious. Make your island the kitchen's powerhouse by integrating appliances like a cooktop sink or wine fridge. Prep, cook, and serve without leaving the island. Perfect for open concept spaces. Face your guests while you cook, or keep drinks handy with a built-in cooler. This setup streamlines your routine and boosts efficiency. If you're renovating, consider which appliances would make your life easier. Open shelving on your island keeps essentials within reach and adds personality to your kitchen. Display favorite dishes, cookbooks, or baskets for a curated look. Shelves make grabbing what you need easy and keep things light and airy. Great for small kitchens. Use baskets to corral clutter. For a functional, stylish upgrade, open shelving is an easy win. A seating overhang turns your island into a true gathering spot. Aim for at least 12 inches of overhang for comfort. 15 if you want extra room. Perfect for quick meals, homework, or late-night chats. Choose comfy stools and make sure there's space for everyone. This simple detail makes your kitchen more welcoming and versatile. No island is complete without statement pendant lighting. It's the finishing touch that defines your space. Hang pendants 30 to 36 inches above the countertop for the perfect balance. Cluster 2 or 3 for drama, or go with a single standout piece. Choose fixtures that match your kitchen's vibe: matte black, brass, or glass. Lighting sets the mood, from cozy dinners to bright meal prep. Let your island shine with beautiful pendant lighting. Thanks for joining me on this journey through 13 kitchen island ideas. Share your favorite idea in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more home inspiration. I hope you feel empowered to start your own kitchen transformation. Good luck, and may your kitchen always be filled with laughter, love, and joy.